Are you looking for the best business opportunities in India with an investment of less than 10 lakh rupees? In today's video, we are going to explore some lucrative business ideas that you can start with a minimal investment. First on our list is a small-scale food processing unit, such as a spice grinding or a pickling business. If you have a passion for fashion, consider starting a clothing boutique, specializing in a specific market segment. Another profitable option is to launch a personalized gift shop, offering customized products for various occasions. If you are tech-savvy, opening a computer repair center or providing its support services can be a great choice. A beauty salon or a wellness spa can also be a profitable venture, catering to the ever-growing demand for grooming services. For those with a green thumb, starting an organic farm or a rooftop gardening business is a sustainable and unique opportunity. If you have a flair for creativity, launching your own graphic design or content writing agency can be a lucrative endeavor. Consider starting a franchise business in sectors like education, retail, or food and beverages, as they have a proven track record of success. Another trending option is establishing an e-commerce store, selling products through various online platforms. Before finalizing any business idea, it's crucial to conduct market research and analyze the demand and competition in your chosen field. Evaluate your strengths and interests to ensure that the chosen business aligns with your skills and passion. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Secure the necessary licenses and permits required to operate your business legally and professionally. Invest in building a strong online presence through a user-friendly website and active social media profiles. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base and generate positive word of mouth. Implement effective marketing techniques, such as SEO, social media advertising, and email marketing, to reach a wider audience. Monitor and analyze your business performance regularly to identify areas of improvement and adapt to market trends. Stay updated with the latest industry developments and invest in ongoing training to enhance your skills and knowledge. Maintain a healthy work-life balance and surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors and fellow entrepreneurs. Always stay motivated and persevere through challenges, as entrepreneurship requires determination and resilience. Remember, starting a business is a journey filled with opportunities and risks, so be prepared to face both success and failure. With the right mindset, dedication, and strategic planning, you can turn a small investment into a thriving and profitable business in India. Like, share and subscribe.